Powering a thermostat only with batteries can seriously mess with your heating and air conditioning system's performance, and here's why you gotta pay attention to that. Okay, so when your thermostat runs just on batteries, it's super easy to forget to change them, right? Then boom, your system stops working properly because the thermostat can't send the right signals. The best move is to see if your thermostat supports a C-wire, which basically gives it constant power from your HVAC system, so you're not relying on batteries all the time. If you don't have a C-wire, at least check your battery voltage regularly so you catch when it's low before things go south. Also, keep a schedule for swapping out batteries every few months. Don't wait till you're freezing or sweating. Another tip: if your thermostat screen starts flickering or acting weird, that's usually a battery warning sign. And if you're installing a new thermostat, ask about wiring options to avoid battery-only setups. Staying on top of this keeps your heating and air conditioning running smooth and saves you from those annoying cold or hot surprises at home. One of the biggest issues with thermostat power problems is homeowners not realizing their HVAC system depends on a steady signal from the thermostat, so when batteries die, the system won't kick in and they end up cold or hot without knowing why. A fix for that is installing a common wire for continuous power. Another mistake is ignoring low battery warnings or failing to test battery voltage regularly, which you can solve by setting reminders to check and replace batteries before they're dead. Lastly, some people try to save money by skipping professional installation or wiring upgrades, but that often leads to thermostat malfunctions. The best fix is to get a pro to handle wiring or recommend the right setup for your system. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for their HVAC or any home upgrade projects without the hassle. It also helps contractors get real work by connecting them with people who need reliable pros nearby.